Guys, in Gorilla Tag, there's these growling noises that I've been hearing sometimes, and there's footprints all over the on the forest map. This is now blocked off. Read what this is. Cause no monkey business. Look, and now it's like that. Look, footprints, scratches, scratches, all over the floor. And if you come over here, there's clothes everywhere. And the mountains. All the way down here.
From the battle pass. And all those skins you were calling booty was from the battle pass. The battle.
I'm sure.
Cares about the battle.
I think the monster went outside the map or something, cause look. I think it's Krampus, so what do you guys think? Why did it make that noise, bro?